Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Welcome to the world of mango magic. It all begins in the mango farms.
Only the finest mangoes are selected.
Harvesting happens at perfect ripeness. Then they are transported to factories. Freshness is preserved at every step.
Quality checks begin immediately.
Hygiene is strictly maintained. The peeling process begins.
Seeds are carefully removed. Pure mango pulp is extracted. The pulp is filtered for perfection. Blending creates smooth texture.
The magic formula comes together.
Bottling process begins.
Bottles are sterilized.
Juice fills every bottle.
Caps are sealed tight.
Labels are applied.
Bottles are inspected.
Packaging begins.
Ready for shipment.
Trucks carry mango goodness. Across cities and towns. Delivered to stores.
Hi. Loved by millions.
This is mango magic. Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.